They still don't like me. Even though I tried different ways. But they're still trying to temper tantrum that I farted inside of their room. Ugh. Sucks to be me. That's it. Maybe this weekend I'm going to Maybe I'll just try the hair thing one more time. Oh man, the door's locked. What do you want, Tails? That didn't help anything. Hey, Shadow, can I please play Black Ops with you? No, it's a one-player game. Now get out of here. Hey, is there a 2 or 3 player game? No! Tails, get away from us. We're trying to play in the arcade. But then get out of the arcade and get with me! It's number 2. I hate you guys. All I care about was Black Ops. Erase file. And this stupid Checkers game. I'll never be your guys' friends ever again. Ever. I'm taking the chest food though. What was that all about? That cranky brat. Ah, my Shadow Claw. It's bent. Cheer up, Knuckles. It's just a Shadow Claw. Yeah, you punch hard. I don't! Looks like I'll have to turn it to Super Knuckles. Tails was right. You guys suck. Dick. What was that all about? Don't get into that argument again. I'll be all alone. Black Ops. What are you guys doing here? Oh, we got beat up by you, so we're down here, so we can beat you up again. Okay, stop hurting him. He just wants to play with us. Doesn't mean you have to get into the argument. Me? And him? Head Shadow. The truth is, I'm done playing with you! Just as I expected.